Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Notion. Notion is a versatile tool, and its demand is growing rapidly. You can leverage your expertise to generate income in several ways. Consider creating and selling custom templates, offering personalized consulting services, or even teaching others how to master the platform. Many creators earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly by sharing their Notion knowledge and products with a global audience. It is a fantastic opportunity to turn your skills into a profitable venture. Selling Notion templates is a popular method to earn income. Begin by designing templates that solve specific problems or cater to a particular niche, such as project management or content creation. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy provide easy ways to list and sell your digital products. Promote your templates through social media, blogs, or YouTube to reach a wider audience. Many successful creators sell dozens of templates daily, generating significant passive income from their well-designed Notion solutions. Offering Notion consulting services allows you to provide tailored solutions. You can help individuals or businesses optimize their Notion workspaces, set up complex databases, or streamline their workflows. This often involves one-on-one coaching or custom system development. Many consultants charge between $50 and $200 per hour, or project-based fees ranging from $500 to several $1,000s, depending on the scope. Your expertise can significantly enhance client productivity and organization. Teaching Notion skills is another excellent way to monetize your knowledge. You can create online courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, offering in-depth lessons from beginner to advanced levels. Hosting live workshops or webinars allows for direct interaction and Q&A sessions. Many educators build a loyal following by consistently providing valuable tutorials and insights. Some course creators earn tens of thousands of dollars annually, sharing their passion for Notion with eager learners worldwide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.